Hello, this is JT Regulator again with Inglorious Bulldogs, and today we have another Alliance War. And I've been doing these videos for those that are beginners or even those that are in the place where they have a lot of 3 stars, rare heroes, and still are lacking a lot of 4 and 5 star heroes, which I am right now. So today's Alliance War, the aid to our enemy is going to be an attack boost. All right, and yeah, I looked over the board. Looks like we're doing really well. 2 teams left. Not sure I can get the reset with my low levels, but I did want to see if I could take out Mother North here to make it easier for somebody else. That's what we're going to try to do. Mother North is a really tough hero because she will resurrect heroes and make it a real big pain in the neck. And when you combine her with Regard, which this team has, then it can be a real tough one. So that's the goal, which means I'm going to go bring in red 3s against her. I'm saving my costume Hawkmoon probably for the second round. Alright, so here we go. I think this is the last one, and then probably what I'll do is go with a couple of green heroes as well, because green is what Mother North is, and green isn't terrible against green. So same color isn't terrible. Obviously you want to go in with the stronger color as well. All right, here we go. Hopefully we get a good board, which when I'm at the position I am in, I'm highly board dependent. Let's see if we can get our red heroes charged. I really don't want Regard to go off, so I don't want to send a whole lot of tiles into him. And obviously this isn't going extremely well. All right, this is great because Carver has that mana reduction effect, which is really nice. So yeah, I'm in trouble here. I may end up fleeing this fight when I see I really don't want to send any more tiles into when I see Mother North getting to where she's going off and I don't got anything. This is a position where the best thing to do is flee. So that's what I'm going to do, flee, and I still get 14 points. And then that team is significantly weakened. The question is, do I have enough to go back, because it looks like our other team here, and maybe start attacking the other side? That's probably what I'll do. So this is a good video to show, especially for our lower level attackers, what to do. Sometimes retreating is the best option. So Li Zhu costume, you'll notice that she's really she's a 4-star, but she's at a 3-star level. All right, and then let's go with some purples, and we're gonna try to weaken Regard here. See what we can do to weaken Regard. Got a little bit of distance to watch Mother North too, because I don't want her to go off. Let's see if that takes out Little John. That is excellent. All right, so now that I've taken out a hero, I'm going to score points in this war. So I don't mind if Mother North or Regard ends up going off. Their specials are going off, is going to be fine. Because we can always come back. And this is going better. Again, Li Zhu is a great hero because it's going to be mana reduction. And I'd be able to ghost, which is really good. Well, the question is, who do we take out? Regard or Mother North? Probably Regard. That was my goal. Look at that. This is going much better than I expected. Now Mother North is about to go off. Question. Will I be able to take her out? We're going to risk it. Wasn't able to take her out. Regard back. Think we can take Regard out again. Yep. Overton. Let's see if we can get Little John out again. And I think if Mother North is going to go off again, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to probably flee and take my losses. All right, let's send some more in here. All right, that went exceptionally well. So it's really weakened up this team. I might be able to come back and take it out myself. So let's go ahead and try. Only trouble is at this point, I just have like a hodgepodge of heroes to use, and don't want to use ones that I'm going to use in line. Actually, I like putting Ulmer at the end. So this is probably my weakest team. Let's see what we can do. I probably really don't want Mother North to go off again, because that's going to be really bad. Frustrating thing here is I'm not getting any blues, which is going to be my strongest color. Alright, so Brienne is an attack boost. Yeah, not much damage there. Just keep watch Mother Norse mana, because I really don't want her to go off. Just no blues. That's probably, no, it's not going to set her off. Alright, I was lucky. But I'm afraid that's all the damage I'm going to be able to do. There's probably no need to go any further, because I'm afraid she'll go off. Alright, so 9 points. So in this round, what we're able to score is looks like 46 points for this, which is pretty good for low level. And we've also significantly weakened up a team, make it easier for the reset. All right, everyone, should have another video on Saturday morning when we're back in an alliance war. And until then, I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you later.